smell. He's currently making a bowl out of a calabash, which grows on a tree. It's technically a fruit, but we don't really eat it. This is mine here. I got this one in Jamaica. This is all I eat from. And I use my bamboo fork, and I have another bamboo set of utensils, and here it is.
Now, this is the part where you all get busy.
Ooh.
Clean it out.
Ooh. This is the inside of a calabash. I've actually never seen the inside of a calabash because every calabash bowl I've ever had has already been cleaned out and done up for me. The way it smells is it's really grounding for one. It smells like a fruit, but I don't know, it has a hint of something else.
It has a pungent smell.
It has a pungent smell, yes. But I like it. It's almost like it's grounding. It's nice. Haha. I'm excited. So he's getting the tools right now so that we can use them to clean these calabash bowls out. So it can look like this one that I have here. Oh, don't mind our flutes. We have flutes in here. This one's mine. This one is to share us. Do you recognize that sign right there? Air.
This is a wooden toothbrush.
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Bamboo toothbrush. This is what it looks like to live sustainably, taking and experiencing and appreciating what nature already makes, that has abundantly here already. This is bamboo. Just like my utensils, and then we have our bowls here, which is the perfect size for us. Ooh, we about to get busy. Oh, wow. Wow. It comes out so beautifully. So how do you dispose of this in the most sustainable way?
You can make it some kind of compost, put it in the garden. Or in a compost, right?
Wow.
So, and you just basically, the best way to do them is when they're green like this, or when they're not like dried. Because when they are, this is black. This part here, like, it's dark. And it's the darkness is kind of like from
It's a bowl.
a mold type of vibe,
This is the most beautiful bowl. It is so perfect. It's the perfect size.
Oh my.
It just gets better. This helps you to not overeat and not undereat too. It's one of the greatest ways.
And it's known, and I don't know how it works, but it's known to be very good for if you just put regular rainwater or drinking water in it. You have asthma. Whatever comes out of this helps with that.
Ooh.
Yeah, they used to put them in big jugs, water, and that would help with asthma.
So a nice bowl to steam from.
That would be really helpful. Wow. Add some essential oils.
Well, it's porous, so you gotta be careful.
Okay.
It's gonna go into whatever you use is gonna go into the porous, so you got to.
Wow. This is amazing.
Yep, so there you have it.
A bowl to eat from. Officially.
And just wash it out, finish it up, They got the other one right here, second half.
Thanks. Thanks.
Wow.
How does it make you feel? You have your own bowl to eat from
It's
now.
so fresh. It's literally still alive.
So how does that make you feel?
To eat out of it, probably extra alive.
Probably gives us more life. Gratitude.
So yeah, you just wash it out, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you finish. See that black thing there? It's dark.
Mm.
That's what it's getting ready to turn.
It's getting ready to turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's like, you know, you got. But once you pick them off the tree and it, you know, you start to
Gratitude.
clean it out. You good. I'll keep this one. Keep that one.
I love it.
And as they're green, you can actually carve different things in it because it's softer when it's green. And then when it dries, it's gonna be more like this. See, it's starting to dry. And when it dries, you'll be all set.
What should I use to carve into it?